Chapter 8 Service Activities in India. What is a service activity? We will find that activities are different for farmers, agricultural laborers, and industrial workers. They are not producing something tangible like paddy or cloth. They are, however, doing work that people and business require in the form of specialized services. Service here refers to the nature of work done. This is in contrast to or different from producing a good. Service in this context of work doesn't mean something that is done free of cost or out of love and devotion. All the above, people earn money through this work. This is their livelihood. Service activities are required for agriculture and industrial activities. Working people engaged in service activities do not produce a commodity like that in agriculture or in industry. They do special kind of activities that help agriculture and industry and also provide a lot of service that people require. Another example is the banking and finance related service activities required by people and business organizations. You have read about this in class 8. Similarly, there are the cell phone, internet, and all other types of telecommunication service providers. Importance of the service sector and some challenges. In any developing country such as India, developmental initiatives involve setting up many establishments. This includes expansion of infrastructure facilities and other services. Service activities constitute about 1/4 of all the jobs people do in India. Changes in technology and exports of services. Business processes outsourcing has brought in new kinds of employment opportunities to make young people. BPOs employ people located here, but they provide a service to people located across the globe using telecommunication links. Many information technology companies established in metropolitan cities employ highly skilled engineers that provide specialized software services to companies all over the world. They get projects from these companies abroad. The entertainment industry creates jobs to work in various print media firms, cable television channels. It is common to find internet cafes and public telephone booths in most of the cities and towns. The advertising industry has also brought new job opportunities. Many new activities are found in banking and insurance sectors. All these are possible now due to change in technology. All these require not only advanced level of technological equipments such as computers, but also employ a very few highly skilled workers. In other words, producers in the service sector use a lot of machinery and equipments, employing less number of highly skilled people. Thus, the way service sector is growing may not help in reducing unemployment in the country. Shifting of service activities to others, outsourcing. Due to changes in technology and stiff competition in industrial sector, many industries have diverted a major section of their activities to service sector. They don't do it themselves, but get it done from outside. Lack of job opportunities, hence employed in low-income service. Closure of many industries, particularly in textiles and other industries, has forced workers of these factories to work as small vendors, rickshaw pullers, and other low-income service professions. This shift also has created unemployment in urban areas. People from rural areas come to work in the city, but there are not enough employment opportunities in urban areas. So they either go back to agricultural sector or land up in many unskilled, low-earning employment opportunities in services. Stress in jobs in information technology. Becoming software engineer has become dream of the young people in these days. These service jobs although bring a lot of income to families, but at the same time bring stress in the new jobs that they do. Desired service today. In recent times, there has been some debate about expansion of service activities. Case study 1. Foreign direct investment in retailing activities. Since 2012, foreign companies can set up retail shops to sell goods in India. While A few are supporting this new policy, many others are arguing against this policy. Those who are critical about this argue that the small farmers may initially find it attractive to sell directly to the large foreign supermarkets, but these foreign investor companies will sooner or later misuse their power to buy in large quantities and compel the farmers to sell at very low prices, resulting in concentration of market power in the hands of a few. The supporters argue that there will be gainers and losers from FDI in retail, but the overall gains will outweigh the losses. Moreover, in course of time, the losers too will benefit. It was argued that large and medium-sized farmers will initially benefit the most, while the small farmers or landless labor will be the losers. However, the purchases by the big supermarkets will increase demand for agricultural products, which in turn will expand agricultural output, which in turn may increase demand for labor. This will increase agricultural wages in the long run. Case study 2. India faces an acute shortage of skilled human resources in the health sector, says a recent report. India faces an acute shortage of over 64 lakh skilled service professionals in the health sector, with Uttar Pradesh alone accounting for a shortfall of 10 lakh allied healthcare professionals, according to the study. The shortfall of different medical professionals has resulted in the uneven distribution of all cadres of health workers. Medical and nursing colleges, nursing and A&M schools and allied health institutions across the states, with wide disparity in the quality of education. The uneven distribution of professional colleges and schools has also led to an imbalance both in the production capacity and in the quality of education and training, leading to poor health outcomes. By empowering allied health professionals or paramedics, as they are known at present, they can be the leaders of change, playing critical role in improving the reach of health services in undeserved areas.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.